Hey everyone, thank you for stopping by my channel. If you're new, my name is Stacy and welcome. I do a bunch of different videos, lifestyle, cleaning, cooking. In today's video, we're going to be making some energy bites. So if you want to see how we make these, please keep watching. Okay guys, so for this recipe, you are going to need some oats, peanut butter, honey, semi-sweet chocolate chips, and I am using chia seeds because I did not have any flax seed on hand. Chia seeds just add a little bit of extra fiber. So the recipe calls for 1 cup of oats, a half a cup of chocolate chips, 2/3 cup of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of the honey, and I am doing a 1/4 cup of the chia seeds. If you search energy bites on Pinterest, you will find so many different variations of this. Some call for coconut, again the flax seed. There's just so many different options. You can even do protein powder, add some banana. So yeah, if you're not following me on Pinterest, my name is Blessed Mommy, so follow me there. So once you're done mixing it all up, you can pop this in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes just to let it chill. This will just help them to not be so sticky and help it to roll better. So you're just going to take a little piece about that size and just roll them into the little balls. This recipe will make about 12 to 16 bite-sized pieces. And that's it. Once you're all done, you can just pop them in a little storage container and store it in your fridge for a few days. These make a really great snack for the kids or even for me when I'm on the go and heading out the door and just need a little bite to eat. Okay, so we're just going to do a little taste test because I have never made these with the chia seeds, but I don't think it'll taste any different. So, tastes good. Those are really good. So yeah, that's how you make the little energy bites packed with a lot of protein, and the chia seeds add fiber. So yeah, hopefully you give this recipe a try. I'll leave the recipe in the section below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.